Hello everyone, in this video let's have a look at the project Elixir ROM for the Poco X3 Pro. As you can see here, it is built out of Android version 12 and it also has the latest Android security patch level from 5th June 2022 as of now. And this is the launcher that it comes with. This is a modified version of the Pixel launcher and it has some additional options like double tap to sleep. Swipe to access Google app was already present on the Google Pixel launcher by default, but double tap to sleep is extra here. You can turn on and off these suggestions. You have search your phone and what things you would like to search from the launcher itself, and you can also allow home screen rotation. And here are the wallpaper and style settings. As you can see here, you can customize it if you want, and you can also change up the app grid. And as you can see here, this modded launcher has even more options in terms of the number of app grid sizes that are available to you. This ROM comes inbuilt with Google Apps and you do not need to separately flash them. And let's go into the settings. First of all, let's have a look at the benchmark scores, and this is the wildlife score that this phone got, that is of 3460, and it beat 62% scores of the Poco X3 Pro. And this is something that surprised me because this particular ROM scored really well on the benchmark results of Geekbench score, and if you see, it is relatively better than the score I got on other ROMs. So you have a single core score of 760 and multi-core score of 2411, which is really good in my opinion. And here are the settings. Let me quickly go through them. You have live translate option as well, and you do get options like, you have these certain options that you can do by tapping on the phone at the back, and it works pretty well. You can quickly open the camera if you want. You have system navigation gesture options. You can swipe to invoke the assistant. If you want, you can also disable that. And you have the option to change the sensitivity and the pill length. You can enable or disable the haptic feedback and enable full screen gesture to disable that gesture navigation hint at the bottom. And here were the 2 and 3 button navigation options, and you could also invert the navigation buttons if you wanted. You have double tap to check on the phone. You have one-handed mode, as you can see here. You can simply access that when you are using these gesture options, as you can see here. And you have plus and hold power button for assistant. You have swipe to screenshot by using 3 fingers. And now let's go back. Here are the display settings that you would find. You have the option to make the display extra dim if you want. You have lock screen content options, as you can see here. And one thing that is present here is you can skip the lock screen when you are using face unlock. So this ROM does have the face unlock option, and you have pitch black theme option as well. And this basically turned the entire UI to complete black. You have icon manager options. You can hide or show the stuff if you want. And you have color profile option: natural, boosted, saturated, adaptive. And you can customize the minimum and maximum refresh rate to your liking, as you can see here. And here you have ambient display options. You can have pick up, wake up on gestures, hand wave, pocket, these kind of options. And you have refresh rate profiles optionable for different ROMs for the different apps that you use. And here are the custom settings, as you can see here. There are a lot of options here. You also have Monet engine customizations here, and you have white luminance, etc. These are the theming options, as you can see here. You can easily change the font from here, change the icon pack if you want. Icon shape can also be changed, and signal icon style, Wi-Fi icon style. And here's the stuff that you can customize. You can hide or show the VoLTE and view Wi-Fi icon if you want, or you can hide that. And you have traffic indicator options as well. And you have double tap to sleep. You have clock style options, as you can see here. You can choose to show the date and customize how the date format would actually look and where it would appear. And you have battery style options, as you can see here, and you can also show or hide the battery percentage. And you have vibrate on touch on quick setting tiles, adaptive brightness icon, show brightness slider in quick settings panel, as you can see here. And other stuff like blur media background, artwork media playground. And you have screenshot and select options here. You can basically select text here if you want, and this is a very handy feature. and you have double tap to sleep on lock screen, long press for torch, show media art, down screen charging info, and screen off animation can also be changed if you want. And overall this ROM has been pretty great for me. It is very smooth and I'm able to get easily 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. And the idle drain is also pretty great on this ROM. It is about 0.95% per hour, which is pretty great compared to the other ROMs that I've tried so far. And here are power menu customizations you can use. You have update on, connect on, call waiting, and all this stuff. You also have game space options, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.